Hi friends, today we are going to do unboxing for Mimitakara 6SC2, one of the smart non-traditional hearing aid at very affordable price. So let's see how the unit looks and what are packed inside the box. So here is the box. This comes in a very small and compact tiny packaging, as you can see, and from outside itself you can see the hearing aid and the charging case, and this is how it looks when you are using the hearing aid. Okay, let's open this. So the hearing aid come with a small user manual, hearing aid itself, the charging case, some ear tips and cleaning brush, and a type A to type C charging cable. So in the user manual, you can get all the information related to operation, how to turn it off, charging, and the maintenance in very simple language. It's very easy to understand for everyone. So now let's see the hearing aid itself. So as you can see here, the hearing aid is marked with left and right for the easy identification. Here is a microphone, and this round is the touch sensor. By touching it, you can increase or decrease the volume. The volume goes from 1 to 5 and 5 to 1 in a cyclic manner. On the back side, you can see these are the charging connector. As I mentioned, these are rechargeable hearing aids. So with this charging, it gets charged whenever it is placed inside the charging case. So let's see the charging plate. So this get connected with the magnetic, so it hold it properly, and you can just close. On the back side of the charging case, you are provided with the Type C cable, so you can charge it very easily. On the front, there is a light indicator to indicate the battery level once it is charging. Thank you. For more details, you can also call us at 638 22 55145. Thank you.